There's something magical about home. Not just the walls, the roof, or the furniture, but the feeling. Every morning, I wake up to the soft hum of the ceiling fan. The sunlight peeks through the curtains, and the smell of coffee floats in from the kitchen. I hear my mother humming a song while making breakfast, and the sound of my little brother rushing to find his school bag. Home is noisy, but it's my kind of noise. In the living room, the old sofa still creaks when I sit on it. The cushions are mismatched, but they've held so many memories, movie nights, family chats, and quiet naps. My favorite corner is by the window, where I keep a small plant and a bookshelf. That's where I read, dream, and sometimes just watch the rain. Sometimes the house gets messy. Shoes at the door, dishes in the sink, and socks mysteriously everywhere. But it doesn't matter because this place feels safe. Home isn't perfect. There are arguments, silence, and long days. But at the end of the day, it's where I'm understood without speaking. It's where I can be me, no filters, no masks. I visited beautiful places, hotels, villas, cities, but nothing feels like lying on my own bed, hearing the clock tick, and knowing I'm where I belong. A house is made of bricks and beams, but a home is made of love and dreams. And that's why, no matter where I go, I always carry a piece of home in my heart. Ceiling fan. Fan attached to the ceiling. Peek through. Appears slightly like light through a curtain. Humming. Singing with closed lips. Creaks. Makes a high-pitched noise like old furniture. Mismatched. Not matching. Different in style or color. Cozy. Warm and comfortable. Filters or masks used metaphorically, hiding real feelings. Ticking clock, the sound a clock makes. Bricks and beams, materials for building a house.